It's Halloween, Chucky.
Oh yeah, isn't that cool, dude?
Yeah. Well, what about the Fortnesses?
What?
You guys, what do you think of my costume? Theme of like fourth.
It's fine. It's cool.
I'll play. What about the forts?
Are you talking about the clowns? Are you serious?
Gotta be protective.
Hey, let go of me, okay? No, I'm not gonna protect you, okay? I'm off to a Halloween party. It sucks. So funny. But really, guys, who cares about clowns?
Yeah, I agree. Anyway, how about the candy?
Oh, the candy? Oh yeah, I can't wait to go trick or treating, dude.
I'm gonna have the most candy. No, I'm gonna have the most candy.
Guys, settle down. It's pretty obvious that I will have the most candy.
My Halloween costume.
Guys, we need to stop farting, okay? We can't do this, okay?
Oh, I agree. Let's just go.
Okay, let's go.
No, let's figure out. No, I don't want to do that sort of math crap.
Okay, let's just go trick or treating, okay, guys? Why don't we? Let's just stay in the living room for a while. Those guys must have a lot of candy. Light me some candy. Gotta go get them. You better not mess up again, okay?
Okay, but I swear in my fourth, okay? Your turn.
Okay. Come on, big word. Got this. Got this.
Okay, 11.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
That's my property. Pay up, fart.
Oh, pay money!
Oh, you steal all the money.
No, okay, that's enough. Now this is how you spend time on Halloween.
Wanna go for another game, you guys?
Oh yeah, sure, let's go.
How about we splash farts on everyone?
It's not, no, okay? It's not good enough.
Can we steal Santa again?
No! Are you crazy? Wait, you want Jack starting to hunt us down again? It was horrible.
Guys, why don't we just forget about ruining Halloween?
No! Then nobody gives us candy on Trick or Treat. They think we're too scary.
Okay, you guys, it's ready to make pumpkin pie.
Oh, we get pumpkin pie. I really like that.
Okay, let me get the instructions. Okay, I got the instruction, you guys.
What are you doing? This is a freaking Elmo book. Okay.
You know what?
The perfect idea.
Is it perfect? And shush! Anybody can hear you. Tell us the plan.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a potion and... Chicken Little, I told you not to spread your farts everywhere.
It's not my fault. You literally kind of pushed me to the pumpkin to run. Let's never make pumpkin pie ever again.
Okay. So what we're gonna do now? What's this?
What's this? Shush with the theme song. We're gonna get a copyright strike.
What's this say? This is just blank paper.
Oh, yeah. What is? Oh my god.
So this is Halloween party. 8 o'clock sharp in the basement.
Seems cool. Seems like for the fun.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get some cookies.
Okay. I'm just gonna wait for them cookies. Bread cookies! Oh, there's some delicious stuff right there. Good job, Runt.
Thanks. Seeing you guys, this party seems like fart.
Hey, the cookies! Let's go.
Here, take this, Cons! Mama, what are you doing?
What the heck, Chicken Little?
What? You? No, you? What the heck? You got our cookies.
But delicious cookies, man.
No!
Cookies, man.
Why can't you get your own cookies?
Because I'm a supervillain. Duh, what do you expect? You expect me to go to the supermarket and say, I want some cookies? They're gonna shoot me in the heart. Or probably in the head. I don't know.
That makes sense.
Can I trade my gun with those delicious cookies?
No! No!
You didn't have to be that mean, guys.
How about we all go to the Halloween party?
Okay, I have nothing else better to do. Come on, guys.
Let's talk. Let's tell everyone about the Halloween party.
Yeah, let's go, guys.
Come on.
Yep, just caught myself some good shrimp today.
That's a scorpion. Anyway,
Too bad, okay? It's a shrimp. I call it shrimp, okay?
Okay. Well, anyway, I'll tell you about the party.
Anyway, there's a cool party that we really want you to come to. Do you want to come? Sure, why not? But gotta take my shrimp. No, you're not taking it. Okay, it's a scorpion anyway, so just don't. I'm not taking that.
Did you know that's still alive?
Get that away. Okay, let's just go.
And then you put us.
Yo, Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. Would you like to join the party? Sure. But when is it gonna be?
Let me see. Probably in like 1 minute.
But you don't have any watch.
It doesn't matter, okay? I can have an invisible watch. I have magical evil powers, okay? You don't want to get into that, okay? So you gonna come?
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna wait in the line.
Okay, let's go to the line, guys. Let's just start the stairs. Look at the line! Look how big, gigantic it is!
There's only one simple way to figure this out. Cutting.
Oh, yeah. Let's just take the...
Yeah. Hey, you cutting!
Hey! You gotta pay for that! My head!
You guys, I am thief.
Hey, no cutting the line.
Who cares, pumpkin?
Excuse me. No, you can't go there. Excuse me. It's just, get out of here. I don't like to get tickets.
Okay. How many people?
I'm pretty sure you can count.
3.
Okay, 3. Let me go get the tickets. I forgot. Here you go. Go look at the tickets.
What do you mean? I can go.
Have a deadly. I mean, good time. Have a good time.
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys, go. All of us are reading.
Fine. Oh, yeah. Pikachu! Mortis is here. Oh. I think that was a little bit too much Pikachu.
I help Pikachu.
Oh, yeah, there's some good music. It's too much, Big Red. It's too much. Earl, you're gonna murder people here. Stop. This is a good party.
Mr. Fortmere, Mr. Fortmere, what are you doing here?
Mr. Fortmere, we're gonna get you. Go get water. Go get water. Hello? Can you please get my butt out of your face?
Oh, I'm sorry.
So what do you want to drink tonight?
What do you have? What drink do you have?
We have orange juice, applesauce. We have some lemonade and stuff like that. We also have beer and wine and stuff. I don't know. Okay, what do you want?
Okay, I'll take the beer.
Oh, the beer. Oh, great. Great choice. Oh, let me put that for you. Got your drink. Hey, no. Okay. I got your drink ready. Here.
Drink it.
Shouldn't have drank that.
Pikachu!
Fart on you. No! Stop! Burger! Stop!
I'm gonna attack!
That bear has problems.
Everyone, what's going on?
This retard is just putting his butt in everybody's face. Stop doing that. Stop doing that.
I must put him.
Stop.
You know what? You're banned.
No. No more alcohol drinking for you. Sit there nice and cozy, bear. Gotta continue this party. I'm bored. I'm gonna try to scare people with this creepy mask. Yeah. See that mask? Short bear.
We should take it.
Hey, that's my watch. That's my watch.
Don't feel bad, buddy.
No, it's a freeze.
I'm gonna spray everyone with it.
No, go please. I think we're safe now. No.
You get Constantine too. Move.
It's just, dude.
I better get everyone else.
No! Baby! No!
Here, pumpkin.
My eyes are fake. Just wanted to point that out.
I'm gonna put it in your mouth.
I don't have a mouth. No!
I better spray everyone. I'm
No! Stop, Chicken Stop! You're making a mess!
I am the freezer.
No! I missed. It's a good party. You better run, idiot. Now my eyes are all clean.
Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing. Wait, I forgot I have glasses. Spray all you want.
I'm gonna spray it.
It actually tastes good. It tastes like fruits. Stop.
I need to spray it to other fat guys. Hey, George, what are you curious about? Oh, yeah, I understand that.
I'm gonna have to rescue Chicken Little. No! Then stop putting the Febreze. My eyes are yellow because of you now. Okay? Just get up.
How do you escape?
Stupid idiots. I hate Delmo. I hate you. Just wondering, what flavor did you put in that beer right there?
Ah, that's some poopy explosion.
Oh my god. Well, you're gonna be pooping a lot tonight.
What's our pet monkey doing here?
Get out! You're not invited. You didn't pay for tickets.
Hey, that was my pet monkey.
Too bad he's dead now. Let's go.
I'll get some that beer. What are you doing?
The scotch! It's a clown!
Ford!
What? What are you doing?
I saw a clown.
You saw a clown?
Yeah.
What? So what?
The clown!
I don't care about your fartness, okay?
Make the right choices, you live. Make the bad choices, you die. See ya.
I gotta start reading more books. Do you think so, Goku? I don't have a head, so I can't speak.
Then how are you speaking?
I don't know, so, some stuff. Got my head.
Are you?
There you go. Much better.
I have a question, Goku.
What?
When you fought Majin Buu, how was it?
I forgot. That guy's a jerk.
Yeah. Gonna have to change the music, boy.
Excuse me, this is mine. I don't know. What are you doing? Stop it! Did you music?
Come on, play.
Dude, hurry up with the music. No, copyright strikes! No!
Man, that was my favorite phone. Why did that run?
Because no copyright strikes. Okay.
Fine.
Put on the free dubstep. Okay.
Okay.
Move side, fat pig. Okay, guys, can I have an announcement? Can I make an announcement?
Sure.
Okay, guys, I know you're having fun and everything. It's like best party in the world, but no.
What? We have to spray them and put them in.
No more Febreze. Okay, but you guys are trapped in my lair, so you're coming with us.
Yeah,
Okay.
so what? There's a million of us, so what are you gonna do with us? There's only three of you.
We're gonna do the easy. You're gonna do this the easy way or the hard way.
Guys, I don't know what to do.
Okay, we're gonna do this hard way. No!
Barrel.
Barrel, you're missing everything, man. Haha, guys, you're all captured.
Mr. Fortman, what do you believe that Mr. Basket?
So you're all. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm lady and I have to do that sometime.
Okay, so now we got all you captured. We're all gonna feed you horrible poison. You know.
Mr. Fortman, I'm worried.
No, Mr. Fireman! Yo, Woody, calm down, okay? Calm down.
Don't worry.
I'm not gonna calm down. He called me Mr. Fartman. Mr. Fartman. That's not my name.
Oh, here, you guys. Here's some poopy explosion for you.
No.
Why? You said the poison.
Do you want poop all over the layer?
I don't know.
No, don't give it poopy explosion. No! Oh no! I gotta go to the bathroom.
Sorry your interruption, but this is my bathroom.
I'm sorry, I'm destroying it.
Oh no, the poop! Oh, look at that mess.
Oh, there's still some on there. No. Okay, guys, I got just the poison for
guys-
deadly Febreze.
Where's everyone?
Don't know. What are you two doing? Wait, were you in the party?
Yeah, but we got snuck in. We got these cookies.
You can do nothing. Just kill yourselves. Okay, time to die. There's no more. Shoot.
Mr. Fartman, I need more cookies.
That's it. That's it.
Mr. Fartman, what are you doing?
I'm putting you in this fake, thing. Excuse me, Mr. Fartman?
Yeah. What? What did he say? What did he say, Dwayne?
How do you like it now, stupid? You're the Mr. Fartman now.
Thank you, Woody.
Don't make me put you back there.
Ya recoge todo.
Hey, what are you doing out?
Don't mess with me, okay?
Don't make me flow. Hey.
No.
Oh.
You never mess with the Woody, okay?
You guys, no, we can just get out of here.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Come on, guys, let's go.
I hate you, Mr. Fartman.
What?
Good, Woody. No.
This should do it.
You, you guys have anyone seen my body?
I don't know. Just go, okay. Man, that was the best Halloween party that I ever been to. Even with the kidnapping and all that stuff. Right, Chicken Little?
Yeah.
And it was all thanks to Woody. Yep. He sure is a good boy.
And he don't mess with the Mr. Fartman.
Never mess with the Mr. Fartman. It's a lesson, okay? It's a lesson.